Guys, Yansky TV here. I'm coming near the singer and the keyboardist here. So I want you to check them out. If you are near, it's in Calamba, Laguna. 88 Hot Spring, guys. So this is where the bar and the Makiling. There is also a pool here if you want to go swim. And this is I don't know, conference room maybe. Art center. There's a karaoke bar. There's a pasalubong resto. This is where you can drink. The bar and resto. If you want to be here, check it out, guys.